Hi friend, my name is Krishna. In this video, I will discuss about sheet metals hem flange. So in hem sheet metals, let me choose the plane. I'll explain this hem flange through the example. So in sheet metal, you can have, you can have able to see here hem curl edge of a sheet metal part. So let me draw one base flange sheet metals. So I'll choose the right plane, select sketch. Now you draw one sketch. I'll draw one this line, and I will draw like this and like this. And if you want to give a dimension, you can give a smart dimension. I'll take 150 this length, and this length I'll take 100. Select exit from a sketch. Now just go to sheet metal and select the base flange and make a sheet metal. Increase this sheet metal's length, and you want to take the thickness of this sheet metal, so you can give it thickness. I'll take 0.5 thickness, and this radius is here. Just rotate this. So this is the radius. If you'll increase this radius, so radius will be increased. So I'll take one radius, sorry, thickness is, I'll take 0.5, and this is the radius. So if you want to increase this radius, so you can like keep like this, increase the radius. I'll take radius 2, select OK. So this is your sheet metal part. So in hem flange, what is the hem flange? Hem flange, uh, you want to make one curve, same sheet thickness or different thickness or same thickness. It should be the curve, it should be the uh, L shape, or you can say the U shape. You need to make a U shape of this sheet metal. So then you use this hem flange, select this hem flange and select this edge. See, this is your U shape edge. So now the variety of option is there. So this is the types of, like if you want to make this edge also and this edge also, so you can do, no problem. We'll go one by one. Okay, so this is the position band outside. Let me show you. See, this is the band inside, material inside, and if you want to take this band from this edge, then select this band outside. It will be like this, and this is the type of close. So this is the U shape. So this U shape also you can change through this option. Close, this is the totally close. Okay, and this is the L shape, and this is the some angle is given. So this is the all types we have in sheet metal, and this is the length. If you want to increase this length, so you just increase this length. See, and this is the diameter of this edge. See, so this is called hem command, hem flange in sheet metals. Okay, just click OK. Okay, now again we'll see you once another example, hem flange only. So let me draw, just cancel this drawing, just open this new part, just select this plane. I'll go with the right plane, sketch. So I'll take the rectangle, center rectangle like this. Okay, exit from a sketch, go to base flange, and thickness 0.5. Okay. Okay, now just go to hem flange and select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge. Now just rotate, and here it is outside, inside, edge, and this is the types of size of edge, which types, which size, which position. So this is the type, and this is the length. And this is the meter gap, so it is like this. Okay, now you see this is your hem flange in sheet metal. So this is called hem command in sheet metal. Next video we will discuss another command. Okay, thank you.